All right, Aaron, thank you very much. 6:46 is the time. We'd like to take a look at some stocks that might be important to you. Berry Petroleum, of course, based right here in Bakersfield. Their headquarters is off Truxton Avenue. If there is a particular stock that you might have some interest in us covering for you each and every morning, please send me a message on Facebook. It's Rob Finnerty. I'd love to know, and we'd love to put that up for you on a daily basis here. Taking a look at things in the market after the worst day on Wall Street in over 2 months yesterday. Things have rebounded this morning. The Dow, the S&P, and the NASDAQ are all up in early market hours. It is now 6:47 in consumer news, and happening later today, the National Association of Realtors will roll out its home sales index for the month of July. It measures housing contract activity for single-family homes, condos, and co-ops. The Labor Department is also set to release its monthly unemployment data later today. And Walmart is extending health insurance benefits to include the domestic partners of employees starting next year. Officials said the changes were made so the company could have one uniform policy for all 50 states at a time when some states have their own definitions of what constitutes domestic partnerships and civil unions. Walmart is the largest single U.S. employer aside from the federal government. Didn't know that. And Nissan wants consumers to hop in and enjoy the ride. The automaker plans to make cars that drive themselves by the year 2020. Nissan is working on the technology with MIT, Carnegie Mellon, and the University of Tokyo.